Oh my god, I'm so excited. Stress is real.
Alright, now
Okay, Nikki. My whole cheek is gonna be highlighted now. Hello, my Jovians. Welcome to yet another bare naked face with Mr. Jovita. Who else? Oh my god, I just got so high-pitched right there. But anyways, I've been seeing this new tag floating around on YouTube where people are trying out other makeup YouTubers' makeup tutorials, and I thought that was extremely funny, and I asked you guys 2 times on YouTube who you want me to recreate their makeup off. Oh my gosh. And you said NIKKIETutorials, which is why I'll be recreating a NIKKIETutorials tutorial today. It'll be fun to know if her techniques are gonna work on me and my face. But anyways, I don't have all the products that she's using in her video. I have just one palette. Speaking of, I'm gonna combine 2 of her tutorials because I really wanted to use the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette, and the tutorial in which she used this, she didn't do her face. So I'm gonna pull out another tutorial in which she does her face and then continue the eyes with. Shall we get started? So excited. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So the face tutorial that I'm going to be following is called Rose Gold Cut Crease Smoky Eyes.
More cardio, we eventually hit a wall and
Hey guys, today I'm doing this.
We need to have the cat ears, of course. So she's starting with an Ofra moisturizer for glowy skin, which I don't have, so I'm gonna use the Becca Pro Filter Illuminating Primer, which should kind of serve the same purpose. This one is even lavender. I hope I don't break it again. This is my 2nd bottle.
Oh, stuff is life. Alright, now
So I don't have the LA Girl foundation, so I'm gonna mix my LA Girl BB cream with the Ordinary foundation to get a dewy, glowy foundation like she's going for, okay? We brown girls are always complaining that we are not represented in the market and we don't have enough products with shade ranges for us. And it's the same for really pale girls as well, you know. They don't have foundations of their color as well. I don't know why the market is just saturated with that same shade of like beige. So I'm gonna mix these 2 foundations right here. She is actually applying the product directly on her face with the beauty blender. I usually tap it on my face first and then sponge it around, but I like this. And also she's using the butt of the beauty blender. I usually use the tip. I just find it easier. And this foundation combination is also pretty good, huh? Okay, so she's using 2 shades of concealers right here. So I'm gonna use 2 shades as well, but I don't have 2 shades of Kat Von D, so I'm gonna mix up my Kat Von D in D35 and Tarte in the shade Tan. Oh, this is a little too dark for highlighting, but anyways, let's go with what we have. Okay, so the light one goes right on the apples of her cheeks. Oh, and then there are 2 lines right there and an X right there. What's happening? Still going in with the butt. Okay. What does the butt get in under the eye though? It's so much easier with the tip when you blend it in. Oh, she didn't put anything on her forehead. I usually put some concealer on my forehead. Oh, nothing on the nose? Oh, man, what's happening? Okay, I have to go to the tip. I don't know how else to get under the eye. Why do I look like this? What? Let's just apply the concealer down my neck as well. This is doing some weird kind of crazy. Okay, now with the tip of her beauty blender, she's setting her under eyes with a white powder. So I'm gonna take a yellow powder from Sasha, the Buttercup. I don't use Maybelline because they're not cruelty free. So I've got my sugar translucent powder and I'm gonna set my face with that instead. Alright, so that is the face done. Now we're gonna move on to the Huda Beauty palette eyeshadow tutorial. So I'm assuming that she'll knock off this powder. Oh, she already knocked it off. So let me just remove that. I don't know when she did that. So we're gonna take Amber and she's basically stamping it. Oh, it looks like her eyebrows are already done. Mine aren't. Okay, we'll get to that after this. We're gonna stamp. Oh, Amber doesn't even show up on my skin. And on her skin, it's like this dark red brick orange. You know what? I'm gonna go for oud or saffron. Let's see if saffron will show up. Yeah, actually, I'm gonna mix oud and saffron to create that color. Oh, yes, that's the color we're going for.
And for once, I'm not gonna follow the natural shape of my eye.
Okay.
I'm actually gonna bring this lower down and straighter out.
Oh. What?
Then once I reach about half.
Oh, hold on. Let me blend it out the way you did. Next, she took Eden to go into her inner crease, but Eden is gonna be too light for me, so I'm gonna take Amber this time and go into the. Oh yeah, we're kind of falling into the same color scheme right now. Wow, the colors look so different on her though. Like Eden looks like a soft peach in my palette, but on her, it looks like almost an electric orange. You know, her outer corner is a little bit darker, so I'm gonna darken it up. Tapping into Blazing and Oud. So she's carving her crease with the MAC concealer. I'm just gonna take a little bit of the Tarte concealer, do the same because we don't use MAC. MAC, come on, be cruelty free already. Somewhere in the inner corner, we have a straight line down the eyelid. Carefully carve out the crease. I'm watching and re-watching that scene just to see how she's cut her crease. Oh no, I think I messed it up. The outer corner colors and just deepened up again because I messed up somewhere. Wow, who knew following a tutorial step by step is this hard? Oh my gosh, I'm trying so hard to get that exact shape and now I have to recreate the same on this eye. Stress is real. She went over the concealer with the shade called Twilight. Why isn't it showing it on my eyes? It's like so pigmented on her eyes. We're using the same palette. What kind of sorcery is she doing? That shade Twilight is literally not showing up on my eye. Screw that, I'm just gonna use my finger. Now it's showing up. Oh, there we go. Much better. Now we're gonna go into Amethyst and pack it right in between. Wow, that is beautiful.
So I'm gonna go in with this diamond powder by Makeup Forever.
Oh no. Where am I supposed to find this diamond dust from Makeup Forever now? Let's find a dupe for that blue shimmer she's talking about. Aha! Just what I was looking for. And guys, I'm just gonna go into my finger because I don't know how she does with the shimmers and glitters with brushes. It's almost the exact same color. It's Jupiter Sand from Fenty Galaxy. Yes.
See how that just takes the blue sparkle of Twilight and gets it to another level? Need a fierce wing. And we're gonna go straighter out of the eye as opposed to lifted, like following the waterline. And I mean, honestly, you could pop on some lashes and stop here, but I can't. I'm gonna be going in with the dark brown.
Stop!
Until you have something blurred out and smoked out like this, but then I was like, okay, that's cool, but I need more. Oh.
This shade Oud is really, really dark on her. And that is the darkest shade in this palette. It's not as dark on me, so it's not really looking the same on me. Oh girl, I need to get brown glitter now. Wow, that's really pretty.
And to define that negative space a little bit more, I'm gonna go in with a creamy white product.
So I'm just gonna take the leftover of the Tarte concealer from the back of my hand.
3 of these individual clusters of lashes on the lower lash.
I don't have Raquel, I don't have individual lashes, but I do have Huda Beauty's Noel. So I'm gonna pop these on, repeat the same on this eye. Half an hour later, maybe more, the eyes are done. I actually expected this side to be easier because we've already done it once on this side, but continuing on.
Loving these. Like, I am so happy with the outcome, and I'm lifting for like the bottom of the lashes, like pheromone hello.
Okay, we need a light bronzer. I'm gonna take this one from Makeup Geek. It's in Tawny, and she's actually using a big fluffy blush brush kinda, and she's going all over this whole area. I need a bigger brush. Girl, I've never used such a big fluffy brush to contour or bronze or do anything, and I'm loving it. It's just such a diffused. Ooh, do you? Oh man, wow, I'm loving the effect of this ginormous brush to contour. Did she put it on her forehead? No, she didn't. Now what she did is go into a deeper bronzer with a kind of tapered brush. So I'm gonna take No Name angle brush.
Contour powder, and I just really like the precision of this brush, and it just looks a little bit more precise and on point.
I love this technique.
I don't know. I've been giving this brush a couple more chances.
And I'm using Makeup Geek in Burnished. It makes contouring so much easier. Like, it's kind of like a foolproof way of contouring. I love it. Okay, so instead of Bellini from Ofra, I'm gonna take XOXO, also from Makeup Geek. It's also a light peachy, pinky blush color, and she's using a really unrealistically small fluffy brush to apply her blush, and I don't even have a brush like that. So I'm just gonna take this Ceron Lace in FP05.
See how it adds color, but it's not overpowering, it's not too much. It blends right in, and it gives you just enough color to your face.
I am loving this. Just following a tutorial from head to toe, just step by step, because it takes all the guesswork out of your game, like which blush will go with this shadow. So I have the Huda Beauty's Winter Highlighter palette, and doesn't have a shade similar to what she's talking about, but I have the Makeup Geek in Psychedelic, which sounds like the exact same shade she's talking about. It looks white, but then when you swatch it, it has a beautiful gold sheen to it. So I'm gonna stick to the Makeup Geek one.
It's not just a white, it's got like a pearlescent, like opal shimmer sheen to it. And quickly came.
Oh wow. Now she's using a really fat brush to highlight. Like she's basically used my highlight brush for her blush and my blush brush for highlight. Okay, let's kind of just do the same. Oh well. Oh man, my whole cheek is gonna be highlighted now. Oh.
So pretty.
Oh, forehead.
Looks strobed. All right, so I am the brown and green, and it's a whole lot of good in a tube. And I really want to apply this because it's snobby, and it's like a pink with like light pink and like champagne-ish.
Is that too light for me? Let's just roll with it. The lip stroke that I'm gonna go for is the Fenty Beauty in. Sometimes I feel I'm blind because I really can't read what's on there, you know. I have to strain so much. Space Suit. She used a Huda Beauty one, but I feel like this is a close dupe to it. Oh my god.
Oh my god. Here.
Let's set it and forget it.
This concludes this playtime video featuring the Huda.
Wow. I never go this light on my lips, but all over I'm loving loving this look. More face mist to settle down. Okay, let's give it a minute. I don't know how many more times I'm gonna be saying this, but I am loving this. The highlight, the contour. She did a lot of things differently. Comment down below if you could spot any differences. The eyes though, man, she's a magician when it comes to makeup. I love NIKKIETutorials so much. And the comment of the day comes from Alejandra Galicia Gonzalez. I hope I pronounced your name right. Girl, you're unbelievably beautiful and sweet. I love your attitude and your energy. Your videos never get old or boring. I watch everything even if I'm not interested in the products you're talking about. Thank you so much, you guys. I cannot tell you this enough. Your love and support means the world to me, because we YouTubers are regular human beings too, and when we see such uplifting and motivating comments, it really makes us want to do more for you guys, because this is a huge family, and when I say it's a family, I mean it. So your love and affection really rubs off right here for me, and it helps me make better videos for you. Oh, by the way, this comment was written in my crazy weekend in Dubai with Etude House video. Thank you so much for watching it. I love you. I hope you enjoyed this video with me as well. All the videos are linked right down below. Check them out, give it some love, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And guys, I shall see you on Instagram.